In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to Google Site. If you're building a site with a team or you want someone to review your content before it goes live, adding collaborators is the fastest way to work together in one place without passing files back and forth. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're on the correct site you want to share and that any recent changes you've made are saved. It helps to glance at the top of the page to confirm you're in the editor, not just a published preview, so the right sharing options are available. Next, look toward the top of the page for the Share with Others icon. It's the small silhouette of a person with a plus sign. Depending on your screen size, you might also see a Share button or a similar icon near the top right. Click it to open the sharing panel. This is your control center for who can access the site and what they can do. In the field that appears, enter the email address of the person you want to add. You can add more than one address if you're bringing in a team. Type carefully, and if suggestions appear from your contacts, choose the correct one to avoid sending access to the wrong person. There's also an optional message box where you can include a short note about what you'd like them to review or edit, which can be helpful context for your collaborators. Now choose their role. If you want someone to help build or update the site, select Editor. Editors can add and change pages, text, images, and layouts, so give this role only to people you trust to make edits. If you simply want someone to look over the site without making changes, select Viewer. Viewers can open and read the site in the editor context, but won't be able to modify anything. This is useful for stakeholders who need visibility but shouldn't alter content. When everything looks right, click Send. The person will receive an email invitation with a link to the site. Once they accept, they can access it according to the role you chose. If they don't see the email right away, ask them to check their spam or updates folders. That's all it takes. Open your site, click the Share with Others icon, add the email address, pick a role, and send the invite. As your project evolves, you can return to the sharing panel to review who has access and fine-tune roles so your team always has the right level of control.